Hey, good to see you again, and welcome to this third video in support of the Presentation Mental Health course. And in this third video, I'm going to look at 4 statements on the slide where it says, recognize your strength, navigate challenges with resilience, purpose, and connect meaningfully. So I've done another mind map because I really want you to embrace this mind mapping because it's so helpful. And once you know how to do it, you actually will think it's easy and it's fun. It really is fun. And it's really psychological safe. You don't have to analyze, you don't have to discuss it with anyone. It's not a confession, it's just you getting clarity on things. So, on my mind map, and I'll put it up now, in the center of your strength, alright? So you can put my strength, I'll just put your strength, but I should have said my strength maybe. And I've just only put 3 branches, like social life, money, and I put in retirement because in one of the classes what the participants wanted to look at, retirement. And I said, okay, well, what's your challenge in retirement then? And one person said boredom. So everyone was happy just to look at that, see where that would lead. Okay, so the idea now is when you look at boredom, to maybe start another mind map on that, or to start journaling. And journaling is basically take a paper and have a pen and just start writing. Possibly 10 or 15 minutes, anything off your chest. So often it's venting first, but then it's all the reasons why you believe you're bored, where you may be still attacking yourself, all that kind of stuff, okay? But it should be effortless. It shouldn't be like, oh, let me think, what should I be able to produce here now? Just anything, no matter what you think of it, put it out on paper, effortlessly. So once you've done your mind mapping or your journaling, or both, you've now seen you've bypassed your analytical mind, and I like to stress that out to you. When you do this kind of activity, the action of your mind is such that it bypasses your analytical mind. And so from this mind mapping and from journaling, you actually then start stepping into action, into your bravery zone. What has held you back not to do certain things, which at the same time would eliminate your boredom. And if you look at that, when you enter your bravery zone to go like, a lot of people will say like, I wish I would take more risk or would have taken more risk. When retired people ask the question, what would you do different in your life? A lot of it said, look, I did everything by the book, real wise decisions and blah, blah, blah. But I've missed a lot of opportunities. I would have liked to have gotten more out of situations, more out of events, more out of, certain situations and in my life so far in general. And I would have liked to take more risks. So that's why I call it the bravery zone. And when you enter the bravery zone, what happens is purpose comes to life. And purpose and meaning are the same things. So if you want clarity on purpose and meaning in your particular case, it works like this. You need to discover your strength, acknowledge your challenge, mind map, journal, bypass that analytical mind. Do this effortlessly and realize now you're stepping into action to enter your bravery zone. And that's where your purpose comes to life. If it means risky, then that's why it's called the bravery zone. Alright, I encourage you now to do a mind map and journal, just like I did on your strength, and see what happens. I wish you well.